Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching my video. This was a really fun request that I got. I had very little instructions. Basically, I was asked to make something that was donut themed and something that would feed about 60 to 80 people. And beyond that, I was given free control to do whatever I wanted to do. So you saw in the very beginning I had a little post-it note of what I drew up for my concept. So we're doing a 3-tier donut cake. And what I'm showing you here is the shaping of the middle cake. This is a carrot cake covered in cream cheese frosting. The other cakes that you'll see were chocolate cakes with the raspberry filling. So I've shaped this cake and now I'm doing what we call a crumb coat. So this is to cover and trap all those little cake bits. We put in the refrigerator and then I take it back out again and do one more clean layer of frosting over it. Now I have this handy little tool that I actually just bought this week. I love it. I feel like I'm playing with Play-Doh. But what this is the fondant that I've colored. You can see in the back it's orange, pink, I have other colors, and these are to make the sprinkles that go on top of the donut cakes. So I have the orange ones, and then here I'm just showing you all the different colors that we made that will go on top. Now we're using more fondant. I'm coloring this different shades of brown. I'm trying to get the perfect shade of what I think looks like an actual chocolate donut. And this is always a little bit of mixing it up, seeing how it turns out, how does the color look, and then just adjusting. So I think I actually ended up adding a little bit of yellow to make it more like edible cake color-like. And now I'm rolling it out and I'm going to size it to make sure it's going to cover the donut. That is the base. So that's the biggest layer, the chocolate cake with a raspberry filling covered in vanilla frosting. Fondant is amazing. You can see all I'm doing is I'm shaping it, I'm stretching it out to fit the shape of the cake. And now I'm cutting off all those extra little bits. And then the middle. I love it. I feel like I'm in pottery class right now. And then just using my different tools to help shape the cake. And now that that's done, I have pink fondant. And again, I'm going to size this out. All right, looks good, because this is going to basically be the frosting that goes, or the icing that goes on top of the donut. I cut it around a cake pan to help me get the shape, and now I'm doing a little swirl design. And then I have this edible glue that I'm kind of painting on the top of the donut, and this is going to help the pink fondant stick. Now I'm going to go around and just stretch it out until it gives me a shape, the shape that I'm looking for. And then also the middle, it's perfectly round right now. I'm going to shape that out a little bit so it looks like the icing's kind of drizzled around the cake. And now I'm taking those sprinkles that we made earlier. I'm going to take some edible glue and I'm going to start sticking them on. So what you'll see is here I'm pointing to a little imperfection, a little hole I had in the fondant. I just covered that right up with one of the sprinkles. That's a little strategy. I love it, it's so cute. So we have the base tier of the cake stand. I've already made the other layers. You can see the little top guy kind of in the bottom right hand corner there. But I'm putting the cake stand structure together. I'm screwing it in. I'm gonna put the next layer on top. And then we have the smallest top place. And look, here's the final creation. This was such a fun cake. It turned out almost exactly how I was envisioning. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for the request again. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.